Mom,
What hurt you? What hurt you?
This.
Oh, that? That's like nothing. Here, come sit here.
Oh, did you put the chair on your foot?
Oh, okay.
This one.
Okay. Mwah. Better?
Yes. And on the mixed
Oh, do you want a spoon or a fork?
a spoon.
A spoon.
To mix the egg.
But you might need a fork. A fork
I
might be.
want a
Okay.
fork and a spoon.
You want a spoon?
Which this one?
Okay.
I do want a fork.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes. I need to break it and I can mix it.
Okay, here. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh. Mom, it's flat.
Keep mixing.
Look.
Did you break it?
Yes. It's like at Mimi's house.
Is it a lot of fun?
Look.
Oh my goodness, what
And
color is it?
Yellow.
Did Mom do a good job breaking it?
I did this like this. Mom, I popped it.